Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel, where we dive into the latest tech trends and tips to help you thrive in the digital age. Today we're talking about how to leverage artificial intelligence to boost your income. From side hustles to full-time ventures, AI is opening up incredible opportunities. Let's jump right in. First up, AI-powered trading bots. These intelligent bots analyze market data and execute trades based on real-time insights. Platforms like QuantConnect and Alpaca offer tools to create your own bots or use pre-built ones. It's a game changer for those interested in the stock market or cryptocurrency trading. Next, automated content creation. Tools like Jarvis, now Jasper, and Copy.ai use AI to generate high-quality content for blogs, social media, and marketing campaigns. Imagine cutting your writing time in half while still producing engaging content that drives traffic and sales. Third, AI in e-commerce. AI-driven tools can optimize product recommendations, personalize shopping experiences, and manage inventory. Platforms like Shopify integrate AI solutions to boost sales and customer satisfaction, making your online store more profitable. Fourth, freelancing with AI skills. Learning how to use AI tools such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or even simpler ones like Lobe can set you apart in the freelance market. Companies are constantly looking for AI expertise to help with data analysis, machine learning projects, and automation tasks. Finally, AI-enhanced social media marketing. Tools like Hootsuite and Sprout Social use AI to analyze your audience and optimize your content strategy. They can schedule posts at the best times, suggest trending topics, and even create engaging graphics and captions, driving more engagement and revenue. And there you have it. 5 powerful ways to use AI to make money. Whether you're looking to invest, create, sell, freelance, or market, AI can give you the edge you need. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. Drop a comment below on which AI strategy you're excited to try. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay smart and stay innovative.